Alright, hello everyone. Back at this water heater to replace this gas valve. It's the next week. Ordered this for next day shipping. It didn't come in until 2 days later. And then the customer didn't want us to come back out until after Milton came and went. So I'm gonna get this gas valve out, get this one in, and then we'll reconnect all this and get them some hot water. Okay, so got the old one out. Got the old one out, got the new gas valve in, and now we're just gonna hook up all this gas line, wires for the igniter and the pilot gas tubing, everything. And then we'll hook up our gas line coming in, get the water turned back on, and get this thing running. Okay, so we got on pilot, press the spark button a couple times. Got a pilot flame again like last time. Wait until that status light starts blinking. Okay, I'm gonna hold it for just a bit longer. Okay. All right, finger off. Still blinking. Still got a pilot. Very good. Now let's see what happens. Hey, look at that flame. I think that's only the second gas valve I've had to change out so far. There you go, flame. Everything's hooked back up. I'll sit here for a little bit, make sure it doesn't shut off or anything, but as long as it doesn't, then we're all good. If you guys like the video, just give it a like. Thanks for watching and have a great day.